Perfect. Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie and your boy Fitzgerald, your soon-to-be number one YouTube host and your number one YouTube dog. All right, family, as y'all saw in the intro, I was doing some measurements. Fitzgerald, get away from that. If I was doing some measurements, I measured a pizza in the refrigerator, and I measured the top of my largest Dutch oven. Now, I don't know a whole lot about Dutch ovens. I don't know about measurements. I don't know about cookability. But trust me, in the near future, I will be learning because they are becoming an important part of the channel. All right, family, it's windy out this afternoon. We got some things to do. So we're going to go ahead without further ado and get this video started. Y'all stay tuned. Say hi, Fitzgerald. I haven't even started cooking yet and you're already out here. All right, family, let's see if we can get this party started. Go ahead and crank this puppy up. Where's she? All right, fam. I don't know if y'all can see that fire. She's going. Now, this is called, for those of you who don't know, this is called a turkey fryer. Yep, not the Big Easy turkey fryer, but a turkey fryer. Because this is the base of what we normally fry turkeys on when you're using oil. All right, family, what we're doing today is we're going to be using the Dutch oven. And this Dutch oven measures about, see what we got here. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about Dutch ovens, but this thing measures about 15 inches across, 14 and a half, 15 inches across. So I'm assuming that's how. I'm sure there's some numbers or something on this thing. All right, but what we're doing today is going to be a little bit different than anything we've done on the channel before. We're going to take this Dutch oven. We're going to take the lid and we're putting it upside down on the turkey fryer. Now we're going to let that turkey fryer lid come up to temperature. And oh boy, y'all are going to hate me for this one, but this is another one of these Rosie's Originals. I saw something similar to this on another channel, but of course I took it to another level. We're going to take this, and the instructions on the pizza said it needs to be about 350 degrees, 375 degrees, removing the plastic, and we're going to put it directly on a baking sheet in the oven for 16 to 18 minutes. So we're going to see if we can get that the lid up to about 375 degrees, and then we're going to go ahead and put the pizza on it, and then y'all stick around. You're going to see what's going to make this unique with this Dutch oven. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Ooh, 450 degrees. It's a little hot, fam. Now around the outside, she's not getting hot, but right there in the center, ooh, that's hot. All right, fam, let me cut that down just a hair. Whoo. I wonder, should we cut that off and start over? I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and drop that piece on, and we're gonna do half the time. All right, she's dropping a little bit. All right, family, let's go ahead and get this done. Now, here's what makes this unique. I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand, so let me get y'all positioned. All right, fam, there it is, Dutch Oven 101. Now, this is the second time we used the Dutch oven on the channel. I think the first time I used the Dutch oven was in the Big Easy, and I forgot what I cooked. But I'll reference that video in the description below. But so now we're gonna go inside. We're gonna wait about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go inside, get my oven mitts, so we can have something to pull this thing off. And we're gonna see if we got a nice crisp pizza, or if this is something you shouldn't try at home. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. For me, it'll be about 10 minutes. For y'all, it'll be a few seconds. Be right back. All right, family, check this out. And I did not expect this. The top of the Dutch oven is, if y'all can see that, it's still about 90 degrees. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's 90 degrees. I can actually touch the top of the Dutch oven, so that doesn't give me a warm fuzzy. Now, the further I go down, I do feel some warmth. I do feel some warmth right there. Now down here, I should raise that up a little bit. All right, fam, that doesn't give me a warm, fuzzy feeling. But like I said, I make the mistake, so y'all don't have to. But this Dutch oven is gonna be a part of the family. I got a lot of ideas in my head for things we can do with the Dutch oven. So this year we're gonna have, let me let y'all look at this pretty face. We're gonna have the Dutch oven. We're gonna be doing a lot with the Big Easy turkey fryer. And we're gonna be doing a lot with both the George Foreman grills, the George Foreman Jr. and the George Foreman grill. And we're gonna be doing a lot with the Hot Logic, especially that Hot Logic. That's my baby. I can work with the Hot Logic in the Jeep. I can work with it in the GMC, in the RV. I got some great ideas for the Big Easy. For the Hot Logic. So those 5 things are gonna be premiere on the channel this year. But I really got some good ideas with this Dutch oven. And I have multiple sizes. This is the big one. Oh, and by the way, if you have a small one and you want to try this, simply cut the middle 2 inches, 3 inches, however much you need to out of the middle of that pizza, and it'll fit. And then you can use what's left of the pizza for personal pan pizza. Just a, what do they call that? A pro tip. All right, family, we got about 5 more minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this top off, see how the pizza looks, see what we're working with. I don't smell it yet, so it doesn't smell like it's burning or anything. So I think we're good to go. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. right, family. I started to smell just a little bit of a burnt smell. So let's go ahead and pull this thing off and see what we're working with. All right, let's sit this over here just in case it's hot. All right. The one thing I did not bring was a spatula. Be right back. All right, family. Here goes. One thing I forgot to do was spray this thing with some Pam. She burned at the bottom. Not good. All right, that's gonna require some work, but boy, does she look good on top. That cheese is melted. It's a good idea, fam, but like I said, I feel so y'all don't have to, and this is not the last time y'all are gonna see. Oh, it's just in the middle, because this, hold on, find somewhere to put this pizza. Look at that. Man, that looks good. Look at that, fam. But because that lid is concaved, it cooked more in the middle than on the sides. See, that's burnt, that's not. So the heat concentrated in the middle because it's concave. So I would need a Dutch oven with a flat lid, if there is such an animal, or perhaps I could use it the right way and cook the pizza in the bottom because that's flat, and just simply put the lid on it. We're gonna get at a try, fam. All right, my wife would hate the fact that I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, but like I always say, I fail so y'all don't have to. Y'all tune in next week. I'll probably drop a video Wednesday. This will drop some Monday. I'll probably drop one Wednesday, and the following Monday, I got the paint for the Big Easy. It is the Big Easy paint. The paint that I got is black, and it's good for up to 1,000 degrees. The Big Easy gets to be about 500 degrees, so it should work. So y'all be sure to turn in next week. So we are going to give the Big Easy turkey fryer a facelift. That's probably what I call the video. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Hit the like button. That's all I'm asking y'all to do these days. Hit the like button. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day. Peace.